What's up, guys? We're back. Today I planted another gem avocado. This is what it looks like. But for this video I'm going to do something different. I want to show you guys all of my different avocados going from the letter A all the way to the letter Z. So it's going to be kind of like an A to Z show for the avocados that we got. Alright? So for the letter A, the Anaheim. This Anaheim is looking kind of sad, but we're going to hold on to it. Let's see what happens. B, bacon. Here it is. Doing really well. Lots of fruit. We've been picking them, enjoying them, and they're definitely ready. C, Carmen Hass. Growing well. D, Don Galogli. Still in a pot. E, Edernal. It's doing well. This one was from Brokaw, and it's still kind of doing well. E, Esther. Doing really good. And if I go in, you can see I just planted this like November of last year, and we got a big cluster fruit. I mean, that's a huge fruit. E, Esther. E, Edinger. Really doing well. Expecting a lot of flowers next year because it flowered really well this last year. I still have one fruit hanging on. There it is. F, Forte. Doing okay. I think of the issues that this guy is having are related to being really close to the big old eucalyptus that we have here. So I think that's probably it, but I do have a Forte, so here it is. G, Gem, G-E-M. Here's one of them. I have 5. I got 4 in the ground. G, Green Gold. Right here, doing well. Alright. G, Gwen, G-W-E-N. It's got some fruit, so they're holding on pretty good. Excited to start eating some of these next year. H, Hass. This guy is really taking off. It's great. We got lots of fruit in there, and I'm expecting to start harvesting them next year, and we'll see how that goes. H, Holiday. Well, I don't think this is a holiday, but it was labeled as a holiday. Growing really well, reaching up to the skies. It's probably about 15 feet tall, and kind of odd because holidays are supposed to be smaller trees, and that's why I have it in this area. J, Jan Boyce. Really reaching up. I think it's because of where I have it, but I also saw some other folks with Jan Boyce, and they kind of grow like this also. J, Jim Bacon. Closely a cousin or relative or whatever of bacon. K, Kahalu. There it is. K, Koala. Got this from a friend. I'll put this in the K, but it could also be in the S. K for Kona Sharwell. This is a Brokaw tree. And then S just for Sharwell. I mean, it probably should just be called a Sharwell. L, Lamb Hass. This is a Brokaw tree, doing really well. As you can see, the branch in here is already really thick. I need to get this like officially in the ground. I had an M for MacArthur, but it died. No bueno. M, Mexicola. This guy has never really done that great for me, so I've tried to graft some stuff on there. It does not like to be grafted. So I'm still gonna continue to try to graft. We'll see what happens. N, Nabal. Doing well also from Brokaw. P. Palo de Oro. I need to get this in the ground. It's still in the baggie. P. Pinkerton. Doing well. It's got a lot of new growth. It's got some new buds coming up here too. Q. Queen. This was one that I grafted. It's doing okay. R. Reed. Excited to have this. This is from Brokaw. Doing well. S. SC Gold. This was one that I grafted. Here's the graft. And look how much it grew just this year. I mean, this is, and I got it from a seedling that I threw in the ground right here next to my bacon. So this thing is growing nicely here. S. Surprise. This guy's doing really well. You can see the 5-foot mark right there. I'm expecting flowers next year and expecting to get some fruit, so we'll see. S. Stewart. This is a Mexican type. Doing well. Hasn't flowered yet for me though. I'm going to put this in the W. Warts, also known as the Avocado, but we'll call it a warts. Z. Zutano. This guy's doing well. It's got lots of fruit, and the fruit is really weighing down the branches, but excited to have fruit. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed my little tour from A to Z. Here is my one and only gem that's on my gem avocado here on this side. But hopefully you guys are having a good weekend, and we'll be talking later. Alright, see ya.